Welcome to Suncraft Solar Energy, your trusted power partner in all kinds of solar energy solutions. At Suncraft Solar Energy, we provide reliable services such as solar energy solutions and inverters.
Also includes CCTV systems, home automatons, sales and installations, maintenance, training, and many more.
And also, solar financing is available, and you can buy now and pay small with terms and conditions apply.
Our products include solar generator and kits, solar panels, solar fans, freezers and smart hybrid inverter, and many more.
Visit us at number 49, 6th Avenue, opposite Classic Supermarket, Gwarimpa, Abuja.
Or our branch office at Shop B01, Maitama Shopping Complex, Abuja. For inquiries, call 0806 008 5500. You can also reach us on 0814 911 1888.
Visit our website at www.suncraft.ng. Suncraft Solar Energy, powering the future.